The Ferrari 360 Modena, introduced in 1999, marks a significant evolution in Ferrari's lineage of mid-engined V8 sports cars. In this YouTube review, we take a close look at what made the 360 Modena such a standout in its era and why it's still a highly regarded model among enthusiasts today. From its design and engineering to its performance and legacy, this review covers every aspect of this Italian masterpiece. Design and styling. One of the most striking features of the Ferrari 360 Modena is its design. Penned by Pininfarina, the body of the 360 broke away from the sharp-edged aesthetics of its predecessor, the F355. Instead, it embraced smooth, flowing lines and a more modern, aerodynamic shape. The extensive use of aluminum in both the chassis and body helped reduce weight and increase structural rigidity. The car's proportions are near perfect, with a low, wide stance, a long rear deck, and a beautifully sculpted front end that exudes both elegance and aggression. The large glass engine cover is another highlight, showcasing the mid-mounted V8 engine, a design choice that adds visual drama and emphasizes Ferrari's commitment to performance engineering. The design was not only about aesthetics. Every curve and intake was optimized for airflow and cooling, proving Ferrari's mastery of form following function. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 360 Modena offers a focused yet surprisingly comfortable environment. The cabin is driver-oriented, with simple analog dials, tactile controls, and minimal distractions. Ferrari focused on reducing unnecessary weight, so you won't find many luxury materials by today's standards, but the combination of leather, metal, and carbon fiber still feels premium and purpose-built. The driving position is low and ergonomic, with excellent visibility for a mid-engine car. While it doesn't offer the high-tech infotainment or screens of modern supercars, the 360's interior does everything it needs to. It keeps the driver engaged and connected to the machine. Performance and engine. Under the rear glass lies a naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V8 engine that produces 400 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 373 Newton-meters of torque. This engine was a significant step forward from the F355, not just in terms of power but also in reliability and drivability. Mated to either a 6-speed gated manual transmission or Ferrari's F1-style electro-hydraulic paddle-shift gearbox, the 360 Modena could sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in just 4.5 seconds, with a top speed of 295 km per hour, 183 miles per hour. The sound of the engine is pure Ferrari magic. High-revving, mechanical, and thrillingly raw. Whether accelerating on a straight or downshifting into a corner, the engine note provides a constant reminder of the car's racing pedigree. Chassis and handling. The 360 Modena was Ferrari's first road car to feature an all-aluminum space-frame chassis. This not only reduced the weight, but also increased torsional rigidity by 40% compared to the F355. Combined with a double wishbone suspension at all four corners and electronic damping, the handling is sharp, precise, and communicative. Steering is unassisted but incredibly direct, giving drivers unparalleled feedback. The car feels alive at any speed, and cornering is incredibly balanced thanks to its mid-engine layout. Traction and stability control systems were included but kept relatively unobtrusive, allowing experienced drivers to push the car's limits with confidence. Transmission options. The 6-speed manual gearbox, with its iconic gated shifter, is a favorite among purists. Shifting through the open metal gate provides a mechanical, satisfying feel that modern dual-clutch systems simply can't replicate. The F1-style paddle-shift gearbox, though less refined than today's systems, was cutting-edge at the time and offered faster shifts than a manual under aggressive driving. Many enthusiasts still prefer the manual version for its involvement and old-school Ferrari character, but the F1 transmission provides a glimpse into the brand's racing technology. Braking and safety. Braking duties are handled by ventilated disc brakes at all four corners, with ABS and electronic brake force distribution helping to keep things in check. The pedal feel is firm and confidence-inspiring, giving the driver a good sense of control during spirited driving or on track days. In terms of safety, the 360 Modena was equipped with dual airbags, traction control, and stability control, which was advanced for its time. While not as sophisticated as modern systems, they provided a layer of security without numbing the driving experience. Legacy and ownership experience. Today, the Ferrari 360 Modena holds a special place in Ferrari's V8 lineage. It represents a perfect balance between analog driving pleasure and modern engineering. It's also considered durability one of the more reliable Ferraris, with fewer electronic issues than later models and better than earlier ones. For collectors and drivers alike, the 360 Modena offers an engaging and emotional driving experience that's becoming increasingly rare in today's turbocharged, computer-controlled supercar market. Maintenance costs can be high, as expected for a Ferrari, but many owners believe the experience is well worth it. Final thoughts. The Ferrari 360 Modena is a car that defined a new era for Ferrari. Its blend of performance, design, and driving purity make it a standout model even today. Whether you're admiring it in a showroom or taking it through winding mountain roads, the 360 Modena delivers a driving experience that's visceral, beautiful, and unmistakably Ferrari.